I know you are excited about getting started with affiliate marketing. You've probably heard all sorts of great things about making money online selling other people's products. All boils down to ROI when you're picking the right affiliate program to promote. Make no mistake, and if you want to succeed with your affiliate marketing business, you have to focus on ROI. If you have a fuzzy idea about what return on investment means, then you're playing the game wrong. How do I minimize my effort and at the same time maximize my earnings? For every second spent on doing something, how do I maximize the number of dollars coming out of that activity? Both of these factors must be at play. You always have to filter all your affiliate marketing decisions through these principles constantly. Otherwise, you're not going to earn enough money in the affiliate marketing game. A lot of newbies get the order wrong. They usually build their entire business around an affiliate program. But you don't want to hit the spot where you waste passion. Here's where our advice for you comes in. You will understand the importance of smart affiliate marketing strategies. You will know how to identify niches based on ROI and other crucial factors. You will learn modern affiliate marketing conversion systems. You can begin to understand various monetization methods. You are going to learn precisely how to put a heavy focus on the commercial value of your niche. Affiliate Marketing Supremacy. Learn Affiliate Marketing Beginner's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. How to earn money with affiliate marketing even if you are a complete beginner. No stones are left unturned when you enroll now. You will become a complete expert and you'll get everything you need to do the same. Let's have a quick preview of what you'll learn. Picking affiliate marketing niches based on ROI and other important factors. Selecting the best affiliate program to maximize conversions. How to build niche-focused conversion systems. Traffic generation methods for affiliate marketing. Traffic optimization methods for affiliate marketing. The answer to affiliate marketing success in 2018 and beyond, plus a whole lot more. The course represents the easiest way to unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing.